Wago, what did you do to my sister? Eh? Okay, what did you do to my sister? Eh? Okay, I'm not see, I don't come like a cocoa here. What did you do to my sister?
I see you've grown wings.
Yes. And what will happen to that? Eh? What will you do to me? Tell me. I've grown wings. I've made money. That what I had to go live. What will you do to me?
You now have the infantry to block my way.
I now have the money to challenge you. I have money to challenge you. I have money to speak to you. I have power to fight you. To tell me, how do you want it? What did you do to my sister? Else, I will burn you and this car. I will set you ablaze and you will see it.
Little boy is acting like the big bad wolves. Be very careful, Biagelo.
Very careful then what will happen. If I'm not careful, what will it happen? I say, what did you do to my sister? I don't know like this. It's not getting now. You gave me now much early. Eh? When I used to beg you money, you'll be messing me around, Baba. I have money to fight you. I have the power to fight you. So tell me, what did you do to my sister? That is what I want to hear.
You touched me.
Yes, I touched you. Do your worst. What did you do to my sister?
She do what?
Do your worst.
I should do my worst.
Oh.
I should do my worst.
Oh. Baba, what for this saying? I'm working in Amacha. I'm okay. Shoot me, let me see. Shoot me now, let me see. You want to shoot me, right? Shoot me, let me see. You know they fear me? Let me tell you something, eh? You must tell me what you did to my sister, else we will fight. Else, I will kill you alive. I will set you ablaze. You and this, your wretched nonsense car. I will set you ablaze and you will see it. Baba, let me just allow you today. But you must tell me what you did to my sister. I will come for you. In a friend I will come for you. Okay, you know you didn't make amateur with small money. Go this town, you see it. I will come for you and you will see it. Let me just go for today. I will come back again for you. Working away to go. You think you have what legs to Sabi? You see it? If you reach my house, I have up to 7 cars packed in my compound. You try to go see me when I'm not walking to at the town, you know that I'm not joking with you. Rubbish. Nonsense. When they drag this nonsense, come up for loader there. Okay, let me just watch and see what I will do for you.
Etiko, wicked man. Oyitidori ria, evil man. Oyitidori teacher, evil person. Maka the great Shinkaka is your power. You follow this fight, I am ready. Upon flesh to flesh, I am ready. Blood to blood, I am ready. I'm gonna show you, say, I am ready. I be woman, I am. Yeah. This is war, I am. This is battle, I am. Oh my God, what is the cause? I am. Onyeka Kwabo, I am.
Please, Mama Nuku. I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me, please. Okay? I'm sorry. Biko.
I have never seen a man as stupid and careless as you are.
Mama Nuku, I said I'm sorry. If I knew she had no womb, I wouldn't have used her. I am sorry. I will not try it. I will not try it again.
Do you think we are to pay for your ignorance? You must be punished for bringing a filthy object here.
You will not kill someone that is your own. I am your son. Please, forgive me. I will bring a live cow.
You are forgiven.
Wayoma. Nuku wayoma. Hey, wayoma. Nuku waye demma. Waye karaka. Hey, waye nebuye ike. Waye nebuye ike. Waye were nuku nri.
You are forgiven.
Thank you. Thank you.
But you must fulfill the big sacrifice.
Tell me what it is this time, and I will fulfill.
Obi ajolo nwa amadi. Igiligindo. 1. You have 48 hours to spend on your money in food and drink. Eat whatever you want. Drink whatever you want. But if after 48 hours you still have a dime left with you, Nwama River shall come for your head. You have 48 hours to enjoy life. Eat! Obiajolo, drink! Spend all your money in food and drink. 48 hours. Eat! Drink!
How do I start? 48 hours. Nwanne olu akazi adị ụka nwanne ka anyị ka adị ụka ọfụma agụ it's time ka anyị ka adị ụka ọfụma yes it's time nwanne ka anyị kwuo ife a amala ife a na-ege nsogbu I am ready now to end you. I am ready now to end it all. This war, I want to see the head today, Ago. Yes. Yes.
You.
Yes.
You dare point a gun at me.
It's time to end it all, Ago. Let me tell you, in your next life, do not fight Obikash. Obikash, do not fight Obikash. I want to end it now. Okay. Or by like that, is it? Okay, or by like that, is it? You know, Lifa. Ta. I go ta. Muye mu the tight. My muye no dey learn walk. You see, my muye no dey learn walk. Ta. Can't you give it? Ọbụna wee so weekend. Nwata na-abịa ka challenge anyị. Ọbụna wee say all weekend. Nwata na-adịghị anụ ihe. Anyị ka akara na anyị bụ n'isi ekpe. N'obu ege na ya adị anyị mma. Ada esula alụsị ibubo ngọ. Eye m ebubo. Ọbụna wee say go share ihe kala ka anyị ma track. Anyị twegburu mgbashi ya ka ọ hụọ na ya. Ụtọ nsị dị mgbashi ya. See ya. I don't fall that man. I don't fall that Jew. I don't fall that Obo. I don't fall him. I don't fall that man. I don't fall that Jew man. I don't fall that Obo. Who goes there? From there. I said, from there.
Wicked man. Onye jidori rie. Evil man. Onye jidori teacher. Evil person. Maka the great Chicago is your power. You follow this fight. I am ready. Upon flesh to flesh. I am ready. Blood to blood. I am ready. I'm gonna show you, say. I am ready.
How are you?
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm the only son of my mother. Please don't kill me. Please.
I have not come to harm you. I'm here to ask you for forgiveness.
Don't do this to me now. I'm the one that offended you and your sister. Even all the things you did for me, I didn't even say thank you. I'm sorry, sir. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Please.
Can you stand? Stand.
Please, brother, please.
It's okay, just sit. Sit down, let's talk. Please forgive us. We are the one that offended you, okay? Forgive us. Relax. I cannot have peace in this journey I want to embark if you do not forgive us.
Sorry, sir. Please, I'm the one who's supposed to be apologizing for sending your sister out of the house that you built. I'm sorry. I was frustrated because...
It's okay. I want to beg you for one thing.
Whatever you ask me to do now, I'm going to do it.
Don't leave my sister. Whatever that happens, don't leave her. Okay? She has a lot of money in her possession as we speak. When I mean a lot, I mean so much money. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Take good care of her. Support her.
Yes, sir.
Encourage her.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't want her to go back to poverty again.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You guys should use the money wisely. Okay?
I promise that I will take care of your sister. I promise with the last drop of my blood, nothing will happen. I will not quarrel her again. I will not quarrel. Sir, you are crying. Did I say anything wrong, sir? I'm sorry if I said anything wrong. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
God, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
I have come now. It is time.
I am ready. I am ready to die.
It is time. It is time.
Who are you talking to?
I am ready.
To do what?
Listen. When you find out what Etiko has done, I want you, for my sake, pay him back without looking back. Pay him back your way without looking back. Okay? It's time. It's time!
I don't know.
Brother! Chibu! Brother! Hey! Obiajudu! Obiajudu! Brother Obiajudu! Hey! Somebody help me!
One day, go ahead.
How are you? Head what?
You know that?
I had my in-law came to tell me.
Mike, are you drunk?
Who's drunk?
Hey, Who
Who is drunk?
Mike,
What is it?
what have you done to yourself? You know it.
I've made money. I've made money. My in-law has given me everything I want.
Your in-law, Biajuli is dead.
You're stupid. Don't call him dead again. You're mad. Madman.
You see how they want to get married.
Idiot.
Hey, when I'm telling you, Biajuli is dead. Biajuli and Ungo.
You are crazy. You're mad. I told you.
You don't want to meet me.
I
I don't want to meet me.
I was with Obiajulu in the bar. He bought me all the drink I took now. I'm happy. He promised me that my 7th generation cannot finish the money he will give to me. And telling me it's that you're working. Shake.
That same Obiajulu you're talking about is dead. Obiajulu and Ungo.
Don't say that again. I will slap you.
Which day you can do? Obiajulu is dead.
What? What did you say?
You can do Obiajulu is dead.
Hey!
I'm just coming from the compound. Obiajulu is dead. Ojija Ungo. Obiajulu.
He's alive.
Hi! I don't want to believe this. I don't want to believe this. Who am I going to be with? Who am I going to stay with? Obiajulu is gone. Obiajulu is no more.
The Lord will console you.
Obiajulu is no more.
It's
okay. Obiajulu is no more.
What is happening here? What is happening? Uncle, what is it? Can you remember? Why are they crying?
Our brother.
Your brother did what now?
Oh, yeah. Your in-law is dead.
No, he cannot say that. I was with him. I was with him 3 minutes ago. You know, I'm not going to now.
Our in-law, it's a serious shock to all of us. Our enemies have succeeded.
Your enemy can never succeed. Why are you telling me that he's dead? Don't say that to me. You cannot say that to me. And guard him sure. I was with him 3 minutes ago. Only 3 minutes ago. On Otako Sound. Please leave me alone. What is going on here now? What is this now? Stop telling me this thing. It's not good. It's not good. It's a lie. Don't tell me it's a lie. I just saw him. He was with me. How many hours ago?
Put yourself together.
It's not possible. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Tell me it's not true. Don't tell me it's not true. I just saw it. He was with me. He was just with me now.
I am sorry. I am so sorry about everything. I'm sorry. This is just too much. I'm sorry. Please.
You're sorry.
Forgive him.
You're sorry? What are you sorry about? No, tell me, what exactly are you sorry about? Would you telling me sorry bring back my dead brother? Or will it bring back my womb? No, tell me, what will it do for me? I was married and my husband found out that I had no womb. He threw me out. As I speak to you right now, I don't have a womb, I don't have a husband, I don't have a better life. What exactly do you want me to forgive? Tell me.
Surprise, surprise. Honey, I got you a car. That car you told me you liked. I took note of it and then I got it for you.
Okay, so here is the car keys and the particulars.
What's this for?
For you, my love.
Is this going to give us a child? I don't want your car. What I want is a child, not a car!
Honey, you have to calm down. I already told you that I've got plans.
What plans do you have? What plans? Plans to take me to Dubai? To buy me cars? To buy me houses? Is it clothes that I want? What are you talking about?
Honey, you have to keep it down.
What is keeping it down?
I am not God that gives children. Children will come. A child will definitely come.
See, let me tell you. I don't understand whatever you're into or whatever you're doing. Stop deceiving me with your words. All I want is a child, not a car.
But I already told you that I am not God that gives children. Children will definitely come. Honey, don't ruin this. Don't ruin this moment.
What moment are you talking about?
Moment that we should be happy. You should be happy that I got you a gift and not you.
I don't need those gifts. I'm tired of you giving me gifts. I'm tired. I need a child. I want a child. For Christ's sake. What's all this? And right now, you will join me in the car. We're going to see a doctor. I want to know what is going on.
Sir, please, can I talk to your wife privately?
Why? She's my wife. She's my wife, I'm the husband. You can say whatever I want to say here now. I'm listening to you.
You can go ahead and talk, sir. He's my husband.
Okay. Madam, are you aware that you don't have any...
What? Sorry, what did you just say?
I think she understands what I'm saying.
Okay, what did you just say? I just want to understand what you just said.
She doesn't have a womb.
I said it! I knew it! God! So I've been living with a man. You're busy spending money, showing up. Thank God. So you think you can play me? Eh? Thank God today I found out exactly what is going on with you.
See, sir, can you just calm?
What do you mean calm down?
Take it easy.
Take what easy? Okay, let me ask you. If you're in my shoes, will you take it lightly?
See, sir, the thing there is that you might be hurting her. Okay?
What is wrong with you? Hurting who? I'm the one who is hurting. What are you telling me? I'm out of this place. What nonsense? I don't have time for you. I don't have anything to tell you. I don't have anything to tell you. Nonsense!
Oh my goodness. You mean to tell me that I do not have a womb?
But now you should know this.
I have no idea.
So...
Oh my goodness. Honey? Honey?
So if I did not force you to go to the hospital, I wouldn't have found out that you have no womb.
No, honey. I was going to find a better time to tell you everything that happened.
What happened? You want to tell me what? That you did not have a womb. Why will you tell me? Why will you tell me that you had an abortion that damaged your womb?
No, honey, that's not true. I have never had an abortion in my life. As a matter of fact, I've never been pregnant. I've been so fortunate. I really want to explain things to you, but the way you're behaving towards me, I don't even know how to start.
Do you feel like talking to a kid? Do you take me to be a child or what? The only way we can live here peacefully is if you allow me find a woman that will have my child. If you refuse, I'm going to tell your people, and I'm going to tell my people that you do not have a womb.
It hasn't gotten to that. As it stands now, you can do whatever makes you happy. I am okay with whatever you do. That's fine. It's okay.
Fine.
But the thing is that I want you to understand that everything that has happened isn't my fault. It has never been my fault.
And it's my fault.
I never said it is yours. I just don't want you to feel that I've been wasting your time. I was waiting for a good time to explain things to you. I'm really sorry about everything.
Why are you being sorry? What do you mean sorry? Thank God we have reached an agreement. And I'm free to have any woman that will have my child. You can as well go upstairs right now and carry those your money on your laps and play with it the way you used to play. Go upstairs. I don't want to see you. I'm mad at you. Go upstairs. Rubbish. Can you imagine? So, baby,
Yes, sir.
thank you very much for being here. I'm so happy now.
It's okay. Don't worry, I'm going to give you 2 children.
Are you serious?
Ones, a boy and a girl.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, baby, that's what I want. I can't be in this house alone. No children, no voice of children crying and all that. You don't understand.
Don't worry. Very soon. I'm going to make you happy. So, have you chosen the name for them?
I think, So, thank you very much for making me happy.
It's okay.
What is the meaning of this madness, Michael? What is this? Huh?
What is what?
What do you mean, what is what? Why must you bring her into our matrimonial home? Why would you do a thing like that?
What are you talking about? What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? Hey, take your silly ass off that seat, get out of my house.
She's not going anywhere.
What's the meaning of all this, Michael? We had an agreement and you know it.
You failed at first. Look at what you're telling me. How can't you allow me to enjoy myself?
Not in this house. You cannot enjoy yourself in this house with every woman you see. It is not done. You don't bring them into a matrimonial home. You can go elsewhere and do that, but certainly not here. Get your ass out of my house now.
She's not going anywhere. I said she's not going anywhere. And if she must leave, and I'm living with her, and I'm going to tell the whole world that I'm living with a man.
Can you hear yourself speak? Can you even listen to yourself?
Baby, why is he so harsh? She is willing to give you a child. Let me just go.
You're not going anywhere. You stay in this house.
Michael, I need to talk to you. Now.
I don't want to talk to you. I don't have time. I'm not in a good mood to talk to you right now.
I said I need to talk to you. Hey, take your miserable self out of my house. I need to talk to my husband. Now.
Baby, should I go?
Just give us 1 minute.
What is the meaning of this?
Just take a look at what you're doing. No single respect for your marriage. No single respect for me. Don't you find this very disgusting and disrespectful? You're supposed to be a married man, for crying out loud.
Can I remind you once more? We agreed that I can do what I like. Yes.
You can do what you like. You and who agreed that? You and who agreed that you have to do what you like? Listen, I think it's high time we had an option here. Yes, because this is becoming too much for me to bear.
And that was that supposed to be?
Adoption.
Over my dead body. I can never in my life father another man's child.
If you don't want to adopt, then tell me, what do you want us to do? Because I cannot have you bringing so many women into my own house.
Fine.
You can't do that.
Fine. I want a second wife.
You can't. Look at you. In whose house? Can you just even hear yourself? You want a second wife in my own house? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I will sit back and watch you bring another woman into this house? Listen, you cannot try that. Not on my life. You cannot try it.
Don't even try that with me! Don't even say that to me!
Oh, please, get out.
That's what you're saying. Okay, you want me to stay here with you alone and die where the child? Nobody to call me daddy. It's not possible. It cannot happen. What are you even trying to tell me? I will be in this house, just here. What will I be doing? Nobody to call me daddy. Someone give birth to me. I need to give birth to some people. If you don't care about that, I do. Have it in your mind. I can't stay here. I can't die alone. Never! Read my words. Look at my face. I'm saying it to you. I will have a child in this house.
Useless man. He paid his dues in his house. You can't pay that dues in my own house. You have to get your own house to do that. Rubbish.
I'm done! Come on, ruthless! You're mad! You're crazy! Nonsense! I'm down! What nonsense! You're stupid, you're mad! Nonsense! Get out! Mad! Rubbish! And get this! Nonsense! Get them out! Over my dead body! Over my dead body! Rubbish! Carry nonsense! Please!
Mike, what exactly is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? I'm sending you out of this place.
I don't get it. You're sending me out of my own house?
Which house? If you have forgotten, You bought this house in my name. So I'm sending you out of this house today.
Amazing. You want to send me out of my own house? You don't have a problem. I'll leave. Peacefully. Without stress. But I hope you have not forgotten what I am capable of doing. I hope you have not.
I know what you can do. What else can you do? Kill me? You can go ahead and kill me. I don't give a damn.
I'm not gonna do that. I will not touch you. I will not even think about it, not to talk of executing it. I will do no such thing. I'll just allow you to have fun, enjoy it while it lasts. Bye.
So tell me, if you were in my shoes, would you forgive such a man?
I won't. I won't.
I have a message for you for your brother. Tell him that I, Tina Wamadi, says that I will never forgive him for all that he has done to my family and I. That he can come to me with all the forces. I don't care. The forgiveness will only happen if I have my womb back. Until he becomes very wretched. And as for his wife, I have absolutely nothing against her. She's free now. Excuse me.
Ejike, why do you have so many enemies? I almost lost my life. That girl said you used her womb for money ritual. Is it true?
Yes, she was pregnant for me. I wanted to get rid of the child. Along the line, something happened. I never knew it would happen this way.
How could you? How could you be so heartless? You got her pregnant by yourself with your right sense. And you again wanted to get rid of the baby? Can you hear yourself? You are wicked, Ejike. You know what? I, Sonia, cannot and will never fight this battle with you. Whatever it is I had with you is over. I am no more interested in you. I cannot have something to do with a heartless man like you. You disgust me.
Grandmaster, things are no longer working fine. What is going on? Please, you have to help me. Things are going bad. My business is crumbling. Things are going bad. Government seized my house. I've been trying. I don't know what's going on. Can the great Shankiki protect me? I'm a loyal servant to this great Shankiki. What is going on? Grandmaster, you're not saying anything. What is going on? Is it great Shankiki going to be of help? I've given all my life to this. You're not saying anything, Grandmaster. Grandmaster! Grandmaster. 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 Hey! 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 No!
Ejike, am I too small for you to just pass and without noticing me? What's wrong? I don't know.
I just met him like this.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I called you, you weren't picking your calls. Sorry. Okay, let me get. Oh, okay. I'm coming. Let me just send it. Just hold it. Not for the call. Just let me send it to you. What are you doing? I said, what are you doing? I'll call you.
Hi.
You want to proceed?
Baby, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. It's glucose. Sex enhancer. Yes. Baby, I want you to be strong. It's not what you think.
I was with you last night. I was making love to you last night with screaming. Calling me sort of good names. Why do you want to give me this? What for?
If you don't want it, I'll throw it away.
You throw it away. You throw what away?
Hi.
Who sent you to do this? Who sent you to do this?
It's Duke. It's my boyfriend.
Who the fuck is Duke?
It's my boyfriend. He said I should kill you so I can sell this house and run away with the money. You please. I love you. I love you. Hey.
Take the drink.
Baby, please.
Take the drink. So take the drink.
Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm taking
Drink it.
Okay.
Finish it. Now. Drop the cup. Cup is mine. Now look around this place. Look around this place. This is the last time you've seen this place. Now get out.
Hey.
Get out!